On the Math Grade 10, 11, 12, we have two parts, the Grade 10, 11, 12, as well as the Mastering in Calculus and Trigonometry. We're going to have a look at the Mastering Calculus and Trigonometry, Part 2 of 10, 11, 12. So Mastering Calculus and Trigonometry, we've got 5 strands: area, curve sketching, derivatives, limits, and trigonometry. Let's take trigonometry for instance. What is nice about this one, we start off by a prerequisite skill test. So we give the students a test first to determine whether they would be able to do calculus and trigonometry. So let's look at the test. They will enter in their name. There are 7 tests which they need to do. We're just going to do the first one, definition. And you can see here we've got 6 questions. I'm just going to do the 6 questions quickly. We can ask for the raw score where I've got 0. The correct questions, there were no correct answers. And the incorrect questions, this will now show me where do I need to go back in 10, 11, 12 and first revise before trying to carry on the calculus and trigonometry. So that will be definition of sin, amplitude, tan, period, cos and radian. Let's say I had 100% for this test. We can then go and do my lesson. So we go to our lesson, trigonometry lesson, where we have 5 different topics. We start off by doing the first one, radians and arcs, and under radians and arcs we've got 4 sections again. We take the first one, definition of a radian, and we work through it step by step by clicking on next step. Whenever the lesson is finished, we'll just then carry on with my next lesson. We will work through it step by step. After going through the lessons, we will then do a formal test. If we did all those lessons by trigonometry post test, we enter in our name again and we get our blocks from A to U. We get different types of questions under each block. Let's take the first one, block A. We get our question, we enter our answer. Let's take block B, we enter our answer, and let's take G for instance, and K. After doing the test, we mark our test and we get our results. Yes, I want my test mark. Correct answers, there were none. Incorrect answers, again we can see arcs and sectors, compound angles, what was the description, and we know exactly where to go back in our lessons. According to a bar graph, we would also be able to see if we had more than 0%, according to a bar graph, what the percentage was under the different strains. So that is on the calculus and trigonometry.